In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a blank page in Microsoft Word. If you've ever needed to add space for a title, insert notes, or separate sections cleanly, a blank page is the simplest way to do it. The process is quick, and once you understand how it works, you'll be able to place a new page exactly where you want it without disrupting your document's layout. Start by deciding where that new blank page should appear. Move your cursor to the precise spot in your document where the new page should go. This matters because Word will place the blank page immediately after your cursor. For example, if you want the blank page between two chapters or after a specific paragraph, click at the end of that paragraph so the blinking cursor sits right there. Take a moment to double-check your cursor placement so the page lands in the right location. Next, look to the top of your screen and go to the Insert tab. This is part of the ribbon, the toolbar that runs across the top of Word. The Insert tab is where you'll find tools for adding content such as pictures, tables, and pages. Click Insert to switch to that set of options. Once you're on the Insert tab, focus on the Pages group, typically located on the left side. In that group, click Blank Page. The moment you do, Word will instantly create a full, empty page directly after your cursor position. You'll see your content below Shift down to make room, and the new blank page will be ready for whatever you plan to add later. A quick tip: if the page appears in the wrong place, don't worry. You can immediately undo the change and try again by moving your cursor to the correct spot first. If your document has headers, footers, or page numbers, they'll carry over automatically to the new page, keeping your formatting consistent. If you're working on a longer file, you can confirm the blank page was added by scrolling or by checking the page count on the status bar at the bottom of Word. That's all there is to it. Place your cursor where you want the page, go to the Insert tab, and click Blank Page in the Pages group. It's a small action that can make your document look cleaner and more professional. When you're done, remember to save your document so your changes stick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.